Struggling to import audio in FL Studio? Whether it's a sample, vocal or sound effect, I'll show you the easiest way to bring your ideas to life. The first method is importing audio from FL Studio packs. If you already have audio files in FL Studio, follow these steps. First, navigate to the browser section on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and click Packs. Inside, you'll find various preset files and audio samples. Browse through the available files and select the one you want to use. Click on the audio file and drag it to the playlist area. Once there, click on this very bottom and then directly drag it to the track. That's it. If your audio is now on your project. The second method is importing audio from an external folder. If you want to import audio from another folder or drive on your computer, follow these steps. Press F6 or click on the channel rack to open it, which is located right here. Click on the plus icon to add a new channel. From the list of options, select audio clip. A new window will open. Look for the folder icon and click it. This will let you browse your computer. Find the audio file you want to import, select it and click open. Once the audio is imported, close the window. Now, go to the left panel and click on your imported audio file. Simply drag and drop it right here. That's it. Now you know how to import and add audio files to FL Studio using two simple methods. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more FL Studio tips. Happy producing!